Hey guys, it's Summerland XO here, and, at school, I was really bored, so I made a drawing in the Romanian and, English class. Okay, so, first of all, it was less than 2 hours. I think 1 hour and a half or something like that. Or 1 hour and 50 minutes. Oh, 15, not 50. 15. Yeah, 1 hour and 15 minutes. I think. I don't really know. But anyways, yeah. I'll show it to you. Okay, so this is it. This is a vase with flowers, and here's the shadow, and here's the sun. See, oh, see the sun, the sky, and the grass, because I wanted it to be like this. So the base is purple, then here's a random flower. 2 orange roses, or no, pink rose, wait, just 1, 2, 3, 4 red roses, and their leaves. Yeah, and this one doesn't look like, a rose, it looks like, another flower, but I can't remember its name. Yeah. And this one needed to be a rose too, but it looks more like another flower. Whatever. This was inspired by my teacher's flower with face. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's a vase with flowers. I actually said flower with face. That was so funny. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, here it is. Oops. Oh, just wait. Okay, just wait. Wait. Anyway, yeah, I'm back on the desk because I'm turning with my webcam again. So yeah. Zoom round out. Just kidding. Hey. Oh yeah. Oops. Okay, so now this is going to be thanks for watching and bye. So thanks for watching. Bye.